Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. My name is Justin and today I will help you guys distinguish the differences between Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions with natural straight. So are you ready? Intro. Before diving into the distinctions, let's learn about the characteristics of Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. This product typically has the following characteristics. First, Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions can be created with virgin hair, remy hair, mixed hair, or even synthetic hair. The special feature of Vietnamese bone straight hair extension is that they often have a shiny, smooth appearance. This makes these products look strong and similar to real human hair. So if you are a hair wholesaler, don't ignore Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. After learning about the definitions of Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions, let's dive into finding the differences between them and regular natural hair extensions. When defining natural straight hair extensions, we can see a few similarities between them and Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. Firstly, like Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions, natural straight hair also come from many hair sources such as virgin, remy, mixed hair, or synthetic. However, the most popular hair source for both Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions and natural straight hair is remy hair. Secondly, natural straight products also come in many colors like Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. The varieties of color options helps natural straight compete fairly with Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. Those are the basic similarities between natural straight and Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. Now, let's dive into the differences between Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions and natural straight. First, about the appearance. If you put Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions and natural straight hair extensions under good lining conditions, Vietnamese bone straight hair extension will be shiny and look stronger than natural straight. The reason for this is because Vietnamese bone straight hair extension will use more oil in the treatment process. Not only that, natural straight will not be as straight as Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. Secondly, about production time. Vietnamese bone straight hair extension usually take longer to produce than natural straight hair. Natural straight hair only needs time to be processed and cleaned before being exported. Meanwhile, Vietnamese bone straight hair extension need time to absorb essential oils to increase shine before being carefully pressed. About the price, natural straight hair has a lower price than Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions. Of course, the price comes with the qualities and the quality of Vietnamese bone straight hair extensions that are far superior to natural straight. So it makes sense for Vietnamese bone straight hair extension to cost more. Those are the similarities and differences between Vietnamese bone straight hair and natural straight hair extensions. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me with this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Justin and I will be back for more video on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair. Thank you and see you again.